Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to make your Windows 11 desktop look clean and modern. If you want to give your Windows 11 desktop a fresh, minimal, and stylish appearance, there are several simple tricks you can try. A clean desktop not only looks modern, but also helps improve focus and productivity. By customizing a few settings and choosing the right wallpaper, you can completely transform the look of your PC. If you want to make your Windows 11 desktop look clean and modern, you can follow some major steps. First, right-click on your home screen. A drop-down menu will appear on your screen. By clicking on View, it will show you further options. You can go to the Show Desktop Icons option by clicking on it. Now, you will see that the icons on desktop disappear. Your home screen will look clean and clear. Then, click on the taskbar and reach the taskbar settings. Here, you can see the task view, windows, and chat option. You can enable or disable these options according to your choice. Disable the task view and the windows option. You can also disable the chat option. Scroll down and you will also find the system tray icons area. You can off these options to make your Windows 11 desktop look clean and modern. Another way is to go to your browser. On the New tab, search for Pexels. After that, visit the first website as shown on the screen. On the home screen, you can use the search bar to search for free photos. Type Windows background in the search bar. You can also search for laptop wallpaper if you are using a laptop. Hit the search icon, and it will show you various images for wallpapers. You can choose any image of your choice and scroll down for more. Lastly, you can download the image and use it as a wallpaper to make your Windows 11 desktop look clean and modern. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.